So now it's time for the first challenge for my channel. I like challenges. It gives me like a specific goal and something to work toward. I just finished NaNoWriMo, for example. It's November 30th. I got my 50,000 words. So if you don't know, NaNoWriMo is a novel writing like personal competition where you try to write an entire book in the 30 days of November. 50,000 words in 30 days. I finished. Yay. So now I get to move on to my December challenge, which is my language challenge, buried treasure challenge. I'm going to try to use all the old books and apps and stuff that I bought and finish them in the month of December. So let's start by going through all of the materials for the month. So let's see. So I have this book, 500 Basic Korean Verbs. Bought it off of Amazon. It was, I don't know, how much was it? $19.95. Okay. I never really used it. I thought it'd be a great reference book. I've never really used it. So this month I plan on trying to, I'm just going to go in order. I'm going to try to learn 10 verbs a day and write the sentences. Just past, present, and future tense of each verb. 10 verbs a day. Let's try that. Let's see the next one. Okay. So this book I actually bought the first time I was in Korea. It's a beginner book. I paid 12,000 won for it. And I only did like 35 pages. Yeah. So I'm going to try to finish this book in the month of December. I think I need to do like 5 or 6 pages a day. I don't know. We'll see when I show you the spreadsheet that I created. This book, yes, I bought this book on my second trip to Korea. It was 20,000 won, and it is a vocabulary book. So each lesson has 20 vocabulary words, and then there's like a checkup that you can do, and then some English loan words at the end of each one. And I've done 3 lessons in this. 3 lessons out of 25. So I'm going to try to finish that in the month of December. This book, I think I bought this book in Portland, actually, at a library in Portland, and it was $14.99. And I actually like it. It's a book of Korean short stories, and at the end of each short story, there's like questions that you can answer to see if you understood the story. But in each chapter has like 3 sections, so each story has like 3 chapters, I guess. I don't know how to say that, but I've only done a few, so I have a lot more to do. I'm going to try to finish that this month. Oh, and then I also have Rosetta Stone that I paid for, so I'll try to do that. Let's check out the spreadsheets that I created. So when I first started, I was going to do this. I was going to have the challenge be that I do 4 hours of Korean a day. But then I started making the spreadsheet and I realized just like how many things I have that I don't use. And I was like, oh, this is going to be hard to do. Why don't I change it and just make it the 5 or 6 items that I've bought over the past couple of years that I haven't finished, try to finish those. So then I changed it to this. So this is the spreadsheet, and I split everything up into daily activities. So the verb book, like I said, 10 verbs a day. The textbook, 4 or 5 pages a day. The topic, 2 lessons a day. 1 short story about every other day to get it done. This is going to be the tough one, doing a lesson of Rosetta Stone a day. I find Rosetta Stone takes me a long time, so we'll see if I can keep up with that. And this spreadsheet will be in the description. So that's it. I'm going to try to post every Friday, maybe more often, with a quick check-in on how I'm doing, whether it's too much work or not. We'll see. And yeah, see you next video.